Hi, this is Lisa Mona, and I've been exhibiting photomontages for a good 4 or 5 years, and I've often been asked my process and how I make this whole project happen. Well, a photomontage is a number of individual photos that are put together to create a whole new image, a whole new picture. So all of these, I have to break this up into steps because it is a process. These are all my photos. I have decided that all these photos shall come from Barbados. So all the images you've seen that I've taken here are of places and people in Barbados. So what I've done is the men sitting at the middle of the picture. I chose that to be my main focal point, and then I built around it. So these men were sitting at a table at a beach in Barbados, and they were playing dominoes. And so now I take that image and I create a whole nother scene around it, because they are definitely not at the beach now, but now I can just use my imagination and choose what I want to do. I choose to put them, maybe they're sitting outside somebody's house or in a park nearby. So I have put the house right behind them, and then in the background I have a windmill and some palm trees, and the chicken was actually in the same photo as the gentleman. So it might look like it's been put in there, but it was actually in there. And then I take the opportunity to use a lot of local foliage, trees, flowers, animals, to bring everything together. Let's see. So I think at this first point here, it's just about figuring out what I want to go where, to move it around. You see how exactly everything's not exactly straight, and that's alright, because I'm going to need to be moving it around to make sure that, to me, it's a complete image. I don't want anything to look like it doesn't belong. So this takes a lot of maneuvering, and so I'm not going to stick it down yet. My next step will be to commit to what I have decided to go where it has to go. Right here I have about 10 to 12 different photographs in which I am placing to make my whole nother scene. I just put the cow there in the background. It's a calf, actually. That was taken in another complete different location. And so I decided that I like to have a lot of life in my artwork. So I have the men here who were just having a great time playing dominoes, and chickens are walking around, and this is not a far scene in which you would see. But now I've been taking the opportunity to create my own scene. But I do stay strict to the fact that I want all these photos to come from the same country. So all these are from Barbados. If I was in Hawaii and I made a photo montage, I'd want all the photos to be from local images of someplace in Hawaii. So this is step 1. There will be more, so I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.